It's Brandon from Seaside Vacations, back with another one of your Outer Banks beach surf fishing reports. Monday, we're in late August, heading in on Labor Day next weekend. Gorgeous morning on the beach. It was about 62 degrees when I woke up this morning at 6, but since started to warm up a little bit. It's definitely starting to feel a little bit like fall. Highs in the upper 70s later today. We're in Kill Devil Hills. There's a couple surfers down here to my north. There's some pretty good wave action this morning. Say about chest high waves. And the water temperature is really warm. It's in the 70s. It's looking a little bit rough for people who might not be so experienced with surfing. I'd recommend only experienced surfers go out today. If you're inexperienced, maybe grab a bodyboard. Might be a good day for bodyboarding for you. Again, it's starting to feel a lot like fall. Fall on the Outer Banks is great. It's a little bit cooler, usually a little bit less crowded, and all the restaurants and shops are still open, so it's still a great time to be on the Outer Banks. It's one of my favorite seasons too. If you're thinking about Outer Banks vacation, make sure to give us a look at OuterBanksVacations.com. We hope to see you soon. Have fun.